What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer files from your Android phone to a Windows PC. Whether you're looking to back up precious memories, free up space on your phone, or have that file you need to work on using your PC, transferring files can be a crucial process. Transferring files from your Android phone to a Windows PC can be done in two main ways: wired and wireless. Each method has its advantages depending on your needs and the tools at your disposal. Starting with the wireless method, it's a convenient way to transfer files without the need for cables. This method requires you to have access to cloud storage services on both your devices. While there are many options out there, Google Drive comes highly recommended due to its ease of use and integration with Android devices. To begin, ensure you're logged into Google Drive with the same account on both your Android phone and your PC. Open Google Drive on your Android device and tap on the plus icon, which will bring up a pop-up menu. From there, select Upload and choose the files you wish to transfer. It's important to wait until the upload is fully complete before moving on to the next step. Once your files are uploaded, go to Google Drive on your PC. Refresh the page and you should see the files appear. You can then download them directly to your PC. For those preferring a wired approach, the process is just as straightforward, but involves a physical connection between your phone and PC. Begin by connecting your Android device to your PC using an USB cable. It's worth noting that modern Android devices might require you to grant permission for file transfers. Look for a notification on your phone asking you to confirm the connection type. Select Transfer Files from this prompt. Once the connection is established, navigate to the This PC section on your Windows computer, where your Android device should appear as a connected device. Open it and you'll have access to the phone's storage, including folders like DCIM for photos and videos, downloads, and others. From here, simply drag and drop the files or copy and paste them from your Android device to your desired location on your PC. Transferring files between your Android phone and PC doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you choose the wireless route via Google Drive or prefer a wired connection, both methods will get your files where they need to go efficiently and securely. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.